were 5 years old. How about the birthday boy? How old is he?
1.
Very good one. And Ate Maya, what is the name of our birthday boy?
Liam.
Liam is correct! Alright, thank you so much, Ate Maya. Congratulations. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the reason of all cupcakes and balloons tonight, please help me welcome. Happy birthday, Liam! Look at that! Welcome to Jurassic World birthday party of Liam! Liam! Hey, look at that! Lots of guests are doing live! Let the whole world know what's happening here at BBB Farm. O, di ba, bongga? Hello, Mommy, Hi, Daddy. Hello, birthday boy. Eh, Mommy, Daddy, may lisensya naman si Liam. Meron naman. Wala pa. Joke lang. Ayun, babaking lang kami, guys. Babaking lang kami. O, di ba? Alright! Hello, Mommy Sats! Hello, Daddy G! Kamusta muna ang ating birthday family? How are you, Mommy, Daddy?
Okay lang.
Okay lang! Excited! Ang ganda ni Mommy! From Tagum Balambari, shout out! Nandito sila sa harap. Hello, ma'am, sa magandang gabi. Welcome po. Sila po yung grandparents.
Parents sa akong side.
Wait, grandparents aside ni Mommy Sash. Aside from Tagum Mommy, sa event natin tonight for our kids and kids in heart. So, sit back, relax, and just enjoy the show. Get ready, kids! Look at the camera and smile! Alright, thank you so much, kids! Go, kids! Go! Oh! Kuya! Ayan, mapangutana na po na ako siya. Hi, Kuya, what's your name?
Secret.
Ayan ang trivia game, yun ang name ni Kuya. What is the name of Kuya kanina? Kuya, thank you so much. Careful! Eh, partida, gigawa dyan ni ate. Bye, ate. What's your name?
Secret.
Secret din! Mag-championship of Liam's Pass the Balloon 2025! Go, girls! Kaya niyo yun! Thank you so much, Ate Neri. High five tayo. Very good ka pa rin, Ate Neri. Thank you so much. Please get your prize from Ate. And the winner is... You say, my name is Mia and I am the winner.
Very good. Maya win.
Okay, but you win! Paran and Ron. Paano naging kulay yung paron? Paano kaya na-convert yung sentence? Okay.
Ang color sa koron ni Dr.
Ano ba natin, Team Sure Eyes? Singing happy birthday song? main vocal si Kuya Elmo. Okay. Here we go. Team Sure Eyes. Yay! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Liam. One more time, faster. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. All together, let's do the countdown.
magtanaw may Netflix yung mami. Makatawa may ba kay pero makita may teenagers, yeah. Pero marag may stress, mag-overthink na, may resulta din maganda ng teenagers. So, isa na sa among challenge siguro sa future. Pero willing me na i-face na challenge. And we just hope na the best ay hanap. And once again, happy birthday and we love you so much.
Aww, that was Daddy. And of course, Mommy Sanj.
Akong wish kayo, of course, number one, good health. Kay Baby Liam, no more yayay. And then, of course, as a baby, ma-enjoy lang niya yung birthday celebration karon and ma-enjoy niya yung childhood pohon and buutan na bata o basta good health lang yun.
Yeah, ayun. O nga, bilang parent, yung adolescence talaga yung medyo challenging na stage. But I can sense that Liam punong-puno ng pagmamahal from Mommy and Daddy and as a community of Liam, parang mapupuno si Liam ng pagmamahal.
Okay, good evening. So, wish na po kay Liam ay, happy birthday, Liam! I love you so much. So, gamay na message lang. Kung mabot ang panahon na nakay gusto na butang, na dili paliton sa mong mommy and daddy, do lang sa kuha, ako'y bahala. Char. Pero kanang magmahal na kayo, ako nagakoy bahala o paabot sa mong mga lolo o lola. Okay, para sila na lang mong palit. Ako tong tita na makatel kag secrets, siya. Makatel kag secrets sa ako pero may warning lang pagka ng sikreto na jud kayo, sige baligya na po sa mong mami and daddy. So kato lang, tapos message na lang po sa parents. Congrats for being an amazing parents. Tapos you're doing an amazing job and kanang lisod sa ingon ninyo, lisod mong padako bata, pero kanang makita na mo how much love and care you give to Liam. So, ito lang.
That was a beautiful message, Tita Jessa. Thank you so much. Thank you din in advance.
Hello, happy birthday Liam, our sweet boy. Grabe na time flies so fast. Murag yesterday, anak lang ka niya. 1 year old na rin si Liam. So, I wish nothing for you but to be the loving son and God-fearing din. And yeah, good boy dapat always. Yan lang, thank you.
Alright, thank you so much, Tita Kim and Tita James.
Mama, laka. Message, Noy. Message kay Liam, Noy.
Happy birthday, baby boy.
Message kay Liam.
Substats.
Message kay Liam yan.
Self-taught ka. Wala certificate. Di sa mga pagdawat.
Guys, ano message siya kay Liam?
Wala lang na. Yan.
Message kay Liam.
Ikaw ba? Happy birthday. Wala. Happy birthday, Leo.
I hope and I pray for his good health and long life and basta, be happy.
Yan si Kuya Webe. Yan si Kuya Webe. Dyan na lang. Ay. Message kay Liam, El.
I'm good.
The color? Yellow, very good. Watch this, kids.
As I scream your name, smell. Smell. Alam na, smell. Joke lang po, and this is our warm-up magic. This is what we call the real magic, guys. You know, this is what we call the basic but you know, amazing.
Ayun, Ana. Pwede na dili mag-join in kids? Sila mami na ano po? Guys, kung kisa pinakalas, madaog ani, yahatanan coin plus na ay 500 peso cash. Okay, now, kids, pwede na mo mag-watch lang sila tita and tito, mami, daddy lang. Okay, now, find a partner. Find a partner, everybody.
So, Bato, thank you again, everyone. And of course, thank you sa PBB Farmhouse for our venue, our decor, sa Lamig na Buffet, and Pika-Pika, sa loot bag, sa magnet, sa cake, sa tanan yun, sa mga pick na coordinators. Thank you so much. And of course, among host, si Ma'am Elim, o sa iyahang spinner. Thank you so much, Ma'am. Kalingaw kayong event. Tapos, thank you po kay Sir Jack Chris sa Magic Show. Thank you sa GY Studio Photo Booth by Ariel and Greg, ang ninongs and ninangs ni Liam. And kay Sir John Gore, of course, our photographer. Thank you kayo. Sa tanan-tanan ni attend diri karon, thank you kayo for spending your Saturday night with us. Thank you kayo sa tanan nakatagod gifts, for your generous gifts, for your participation. Sa mga kids, sila ha, Elmo, kay Toby, mga participative kayo. Thank you kayo. Unta kayo nalingaw mo. And napay food yata. Pwede pa mo kaon. Ito lang, naka-ice cream.